back to my channel. Today topic is Baba Atomic Research Center. BARC is a Indian premier nuclear research facility headquartered in Bombay, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. It was founded by Homi Jehangir Baba as the Atomic Energy established Bombay AEET January 1954. It is multidisciplinary research program, essential Indian nuclear program. It operates under the Department of Atomic Energy. It is directly overseen by Prime Minister of India. Formation 3 January 1954. Founder Homi J. Baba. Headquarters Bombay, Mumbai. Location Mumbai, India. Location Kalpa Chalakeri. Coordination 19.017 North, 72.925 East. Field Nuclear Research, Nuclear Fuel Cycle, Nuclear Reactor Technology, Nuclear Chemistry, Environmental and Radiation Monitoring, Nuclear Medicine, Material Science and Engineering, Instrumentation and Control Engineering, National Security, Nuclear Weapon, Director Parent Organization, Department of Atomic Energy, Budget 4,086 crore rupees, US dollar 510 million 2020-21. Website bark.government.in. Formerly called Atomic Energy established Bombay PARC, multiple disciplinary research center with the extensive infrastructure for advanced research and development covering entire spectrum nuclear science, chemical engineering, material science, energy, electronic instrumentation, biology and medicine, supercomputing, high energy physics and plasma physics and associate research center, Indian nuclear program and related area. BARC core mandated sustain peaceful application nuclear energy, manage all phase and nuclear power generation from the theoretical design reactor to computer modeling and simulation, risk analysis, development and testing new reactor fuel material. It also research spent fuel processing and safe disposal nuclear waste. It is other research focus area or application for isotope in industry, radiation technology and other the replication and health and food medicine, agriculture and environmental, accelerator and laser technology, electronic instrumentation and reactor control, material science, environmental radiation monitoring. BARC operate number of research reactor across country. Primary facility are located in Bombay with the new facility also located Talakeri in Chitradurga district, Karnataka. New special minor enrichment facility which focus on enrichment uranium fuel under the construction of Achyutapuram near Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh for supporting Indian nuclear submarine program and produce high specific activity radioisotope for extensive research. History: when Homi Jehangir Baba was working at the Indian Institute of Science, there was no Institute of India in which had necessary facility original work of nuclear physics, cosmic ray, high energy physics and other frontier knowledge physics. With promoted him to send proposal in March 1944 to Sir Dorabji Tata Trust for establishing vigorous school research in fundamental physics. When Baba realized that technology developed by Atomic Energy Program could not longer now carried out within TIFRE, he proposed government to build new laboratory entirely devoted to this purpose. For this purpose, 1,200 acre land was acquired by Bombay from Bombay government. Those Atomic Energy established Bombay AEET start function in 1954. Some year Department of Atomic Energy DAE and also established same year. Baba established BARC training school cater into manpower need to expanding atomic energy research and development program. Baba emphasized self-reliance all field, nuclear science and engineering. Government of India created Atomic Energy established Bombay AEET with Baba as funding director of the 3 January 1954 as the founding director. It was established to consolidate all the research and development activities, nuclear reactor and technology under the Atomic Energy Commission. All scientists and engineers engaged field of reactor design to developing instrumentation, metallurgy and material science were transferred their respective program from Tata Institute of Fundamental Research TIFR to AEET with the TIFR retaining original focus for fundamental research in science. After Baba's death, 1966 center was renamed Baba Atomic Research Center, 22 January 1967. First reactor BARC and affiliated power generation center were imported from West Indian First Power Reaction and reactor installed Tarapur Atomic Power Station were from interstate. Primary important BARC is a research center. BARC and Indian government was consistently maintained that reactor are used to purpose Apsara 1956 named by then Prime Minister of India Jawaharlal Nehru when the linked blue icon blue Cherenkov radiation to the beauty Apsaras CIRUS 1960 Canada Indian reactor with assistance from the US. Now defunct ZERLINA 1961 Zero Energy Reactor for lattice investigation neutron 1 1972 Purnima 2 1984 Dhruv 1985 Purnima 3 1990 KAMINE Kamini Apsarabhas India first nuclear reactor bullet Bark in 1956 to conduct basic research in nuclear physics 1 mega TH light water cooled and moderated swimming pool type of thermal reactor went critical on August 4 1956 and suitable for production isotope basic nuclear research and shielding experiment neutron activation analysis neutron radiograph and testing neutron detector. It was shut down by permanently 2010 and replaced by Apsara U Purnima 1 at plutonium oxide fuel 1 megawatt TH pulsed fast reactor was built starting in 1970 and went to critical U Purnima 1 plutonium oxide fuel 1 megawatt TH pulsed fast reactor. It was built starting 1970 and went to critical 18 May 1972. It primarily support for the validation and design parameters for development plutonium 239 power nuclear weapon. On the 20th anniversary 1974 Pokhran nuclear test Purnima designer B.K. Iyengar reflector reactor critical role. Purnima was novel device pulled about 20 kg of plutonium variable geometry and reflector and unique control system. This gave considerable experience and help to benchmark calculation regarding the behavior chain reacting system. Made out plutonium kinetic behavior of the system just above critical about as well as studied very clever physics could be then calculate the time behavior core of isotropic compression and what the critical parameter would be how to achieve optimum explosive power. It was dependent by first self-sustaining neutron trigger where all investigated. It was decommissioned 1973 along with the DRDO and other agencies and laboratory. Bark also played essential and important role in nuclear weapon technology and research. Plutonium is to India 1974 Smiling Buddha nuclear test came from CIRUS 1974 head by entire nuclear bomb project was directed by the Bark Rajaramana. Neutron initiator was polonium beryllium type and codenamed Flower was developed by Bark. Entire nuclear bomb was engineered and finally assembled by Indian engineer Trompai before transportation tested 1974 test and 1988 tested followed by have Indian scientists technology know how to confident not only develop nuclear fuel future reactor. It used to be power generation and research and also capacity refine same fuel and weapon grade fuel used to development. Nuclear was also involved in the Pokhran 2 series 5 nuclear tests conducted. Pokhran test range in May 1998. It was second instant nuclear testing conducted by after Smiling Buddha by Indian test achieved by the Dharman objective giving the Indian capacity bullet fission and thermonuclear weapon hydrogen bomb fusion bomb yield up to 200 kilotons and then chairman of Indian Atomic Energy Commission described each one explosion in Pokhran 2 equal to several tests carried out by the nuclear weapon state over decades. Subsequently, India established computer simulation capacity and predict the yield of nuclear explosive who design and related design of explosive used in this test. Scientist engineer Bark Atomic Mineral Director Exploration and Research AMDER Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO involved the nuclear weapon assembly layout denomination and data collection. On 3 June 1998 Bark has hacked by Hack T Visit Group MILWORM consisting of hacker from Interstate United Kingdom and New Zealand. They downloaded classified information, defected website and deleted data from server. Bark also designed from class Indian Pressurized Heavy Water Reactor IPHWR Indian Pressurized Heavy Water Reactor baseline 220 megawatt E. Design was developed by Canadian CANDU. Reactor design was later expanded to 540 megawatt and 700 megawatt design. IPHWR 220 Indian Pressurized Heavy Water Reactor 220 was first class series Indian Pressurized Heavy Water Reactor designated by Baba Atomic Research Center. Generation 2 reactor developed from earlier CNDU based on RAPS-1, RAPS-2 and reactor bullet Rawat Bada, Rajasthan and currently there are 14 units operation at various locations in India. Upon completion of design, IPHWR 220 larger 540 megawatt E design was started around the 1984 under the Aegis Bark and EGS partnership with NPCL. Two reactor design were built by Tarapur, Maharashtra starting in year of 2000 and first was commissioned by 12 September 2005. IPHWR 540 design was later upgraded to 700 megawatt E with the main objective improve fuel efficiency and developed standardized design and installed at many locations across India. Fleet mode and effort. Design was also upgraded to incorporate generation 3 plus fuel. Almost 100% of power these indigenously designed by reactor and manufacturer Indian industry. Bark design built Indian first pressurized water reactor Kalpakam 80 megawatt land based prototype INS Ari main propulsion reactor. 3 other submarine vessels including upcoming INS Erigat S4 and S4 Star will be also get the same class reactor their primary propulsion. Bark also developed by stabilization system seekers of antenna in the Indian multi-rotor fight. HAL Tejas and contributed to Chandrayaan-1 and Mangalyaan mission. Bark has contributed collaboration with various mega science projects, national and international repute with CERN, LHC, India-based Neutrino Observatory, INO, ITER, Low Energy High Intensity Proton Accelerator, LEHIPA facility, Anti-Proton and Ion Researcher, FIR, Major Atmospheric Circumpolar Experiment Telescope, MESCE 2012. It was reported by new facility and campus Bark were planned in Archadapuram near Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. In the Chitradurga district in Karnataka, Bark would be setting 30 megawatt special research reactor using enrichment uranium fuel. Visakhapatnam to meet demand high specific activity radioisotope to carry to extensive research and development nuclear reactor. Site would be also support the nuclear submarine program. Description: Bark multidisciplinary research center with extensive infrastructure for advanced research and development covering entire spectrum, nuclear science, chemical engineering and material science and metallurgy, electronic instrumentation, biology and medicine, supercomputing, high energy physics and plasma physics, the associated research and Indian nuclear program and related area. Bark premier multidisciplinary research organization through the founder primarily to serve Indian nuclear program. In the peaceful application nuclear near energy does not extend on advanced research and development covering entire spectrum, nuclear science, chemical engineering, radiology and their application to health, food, medicine, agriculture and environment, accelerator and laser technology, electronic high performance computing, instrumentation and reactor control, material science and radiation modeling, high energy physics and plasma physics among others. Organization and governance. Bark Agency Department of Atomic Energy divided into number of groups, each under director of and many more divisions. Nuclear Recycle and Board. Bark Nuclear Recycle Board NRB was the formed in 2009, located 3 sites in Mumbai, Tarapur and Kalpakam. Area research. Bark conduct extensive and advanced research development covering entire spectrum, nuclear science, chemical engineering, material science and metallurgy, electronic instrumentation, biology and medicine, advanced computing, high energy plasma physics, associate research with the Indian nuclear program related area. Few are there. Thorium fuel cycle. India has unique position of world terms available nuclear fuel research and has limited resource of uranium but large resource of thorium. Is beach sand of Kerala, Orissa have rich observed monazite which contain about 8 to 10% of thorium. Study have been carried out on all aspect thorium fuel cycle, mining and extraction, fuel fabrication, utilization, different reactor system, evaluation of various properties and irritation, behavior of processing and recycling. Some of the important milestones achieved by technological progress made by these are followed by process producing thorium as the monazite well established IREL. REL has produced several tons of nuclear grade thoria powder and fabrication thoria based fuel powder and pellet method well by established. Few ton thoria fuel have been fabricated by Bark and NFC various irritation and research power reactor. Studies have been carried out regarding use of thorium different type of reactor with respect fuel management, reactor control and fuel utilization. Critical facility has been constructed being used by carrier to expand thoria based fuel, thoria based fuel irradiation have been carried out. Research and power reactor, thoria fuel rods and reflector region research reactor CIRUS, thoria fuel assemblies as reactively load research and reactor Dhruva, thoria fuel bundles flux flattening initial core of BHWR, thoria blanket assembly FBDR, THU, PU, MOX fuel pins, BWR, BHWR and AHWR design research and reactor CIRUS and Dhruva. Post irradiation examination have been carried out. Irradiated PHWR thoria fuel bundles and PHU MOX fuel pin thermophysical thermodynamic property have been evaluated. Thoria based thoria fuel rods and irradiated in the CIRs have been reprocessed. Uranium thorium separation facility UTSF bark recovered by 23U has been fabricated fuel for Kamini reactor. Thoria blanket assembly irradiated FETR have been reprocessed at the IGCER. Recovered by 23U has been used for experimental irradiation and PFBR type of fuel assembly FPDR. Thoria fuel bundles irradiated PHWR will be produced by power reactor thorium reprocessing facility PRTRB. Recovered by 233U will be used in reactor physics experiment AHWR critical facility. Advanced reactor AHWR and AHWR 300 LEU have been designated by BARC to provide immediate large scale utilization of thorium. Reprocessed into nuclear waste management. After certain energy utilization known as burn of legacy thermal power reached nuclear fuel reactor replaced by fuel so that fission chain has been reaction sustained and desert so that fission chain reaction can sustain and desert power output can be maintained. Spent fuel recharge and discharge from the reactor is known as spent nuclear fuel SNF. BARC has been came along wave of since first began reprocessing spent fuel year in 1964. Trump India has been more 5 decades of experience reprocessing spent fuel for uranium based first stage reactor resulting in developed well matured and highly evolved PUREX based reprocessing flow sheet and involving recovery SNM. Implementation of thorium fuel cycle required by extraction of 233U from irradiated thorium fuel and reinsertion of fuel cycle based on indigenous effort. Flow sheet for reprocessing spent thoria rods for was developed by demonstrated uranium thorium separation facility UTSF. Trump after gaining successful experience UTSF power reactor thoria reprocessing facility PRTRF has been set up employing advanced laser based technology and dismantling thoria bundle and single pin mechanical chopper for cutting fuel pins. Chopper for cutting fuel pin thoria irradiated fuel bundles from PHWR were reprocessed using DBB extracted and recover 233U high level liquid waste HLLW generated during reprocessing spent fuel content most of radioactive generated entire nuclear fuel cycle. HLLW immobilized into insert inner sodium borosilicate glass matrix through the process called vitrification. Vitrified waste is stored by interim period of air-cooled ballast facilitated dissipation heat of generated during radioactive decay period to eventual and disposal geological disposal facility. Vitrification HSLW complex process and poses challenge of view high temperature operation presence of high amount of radioactivity as result where very few countries world could be master of technological vitrification. HSLW and India is among 3 melter technologies. Induction heated by metallic melter IHMM, joule heated ceramic melter JHCM and cold crucible induction melter CCIM have been indigenously developed by vitrification of HLLW vitrification plant based on IHMM or JHCM technology have been constructed and successfully operated by Tarapur Kalpakam sites of India. Vitrification cell IHMM VWI by joule heated ceramic melter Tarapur inside view of cold crucible induction melter R&D field partitioning minor activities from HLLW and also aim to separate out the long-lived radioactivity waste and constitution of period to immobilize then class matrix long-lived radio and contaminant planet burned by fast reactor accelerator driven by subcritical system to get by converted to short-lived species. This will be reduced need to long term of isolation radionucleated from the environment from multifold. R&D also directed toward management hulls contaminated to leftover pieces of zirconium glad tube after dissolution fuel geological disposal facility safe disposal vitrified HLW and long-lived waste of with the object long term of isolation radionuclide from the human environment. Advanced fuel fabrication facility AFF MOX fuel manufacturing facility is a part of nuclear recycle board NRB located Tarapur Atomic Power Station Tarapur Maharashtra. It make plutonium based MOX fuel stage of 2 under Indian nuclear program unit successfully has produced 1 lakh fuel pin of the Kalpakam based Bhavani PFBR, and PFBR, however, has faced quite a significant delay over the year. Basics and applied physics. Interdisciplinary research and include investigation matter under the different physiochemical environment, including temperature, magnetic field, and pressure reactor. Electron and accelerator and laser are being employed tool of investigate crucial phenomena and material over wide of length and time scale. Major facility operated by BARC for research into physical science include by Pelletron Superconducting Linear Accelerator at TIFR National Facility Neutron Beam Research NFNBR through number of state-of-art beam lines and INDS Synchrotron RR-CAT and Indoor DEV Atmospheric Cherenkov Telescope with Imaging Camera TACTIC MT Abu the Folded Tandem Accelerator National Center Compositional Characters of Material NCCM Hyderabad 10 MeV Electron Accelerator Electron Beam Center at Navy Mumbai. BARC also been sustained program indigenous developed by detected sensor mass spectrometer imagining technique and multi-layer mirror. Recent achievement of include commissioning of major atmospheric circumference experiment telescope and Ladakh MACE time of flight neutron spectrometer through beamline at INDS small and wide angle X-ray scattering SWAXS protein and crystallograph infrared spectroscopy extended by X-ray absorption fine structure EXAFR photoelectron spectroscopy BEM energy and angle dispersive XRD imaging commissioning beamline associated with the detector facility BARC DIFR Pelletron facility low energy high intensity proton accelerator LEHIBA BARC digital holograph microscopy biological cell imaging at VISA low energy high intensity proton accelerator LEHIB project under the installation common facility building BARC premises 20 ME 30 MJ and CW proton LNC and will consist 50 keV ion source 3 ME 4 M long radio frequency quadrupole and RFQ and the 3 to 20 ME 12 M long drift tube LINAC and TDL beam dump and the major atomic atmospheric Cherenkov experiment telescopy MACE in the imaging atmospheric Cherenkov telescope IACT located near Canal Ladakh India highest altitude second largest signal telescope world is built by Electronic Corporation of India Hyderabad Baba Atomic Research Center and was assembled by Campus Indian Astronomical Observatory to handle the telescope's second largest gamma ray telescope world and will help the scientific community enhance its understanding field astrophysics fundamental physics and particle acceleration mechanism largest telescope same classes 28 meter diameter high energy stethoscope system HESS telescope being operated in Nambi. Ongoing physics applied research encompasses broad spectrum covering contents matter physics, nuclear physics, astrophysical and science and atomic molecular spectroscopy. Important research area including advanced magnetism and soft nanostructure material, energy material, thin film, multi-layer accelerator, reactor-based fusion fission studies, nuclear astrophysics, nuclear data management, reactor-based neutrino physics, very high energy. Of important ongoing developmental activities are Indian Interlate or Matrix Reactor Anti-Neutrinos ISMAR Neutrino Guide Polarizer Neutrons Paper Mirror and NB based superconducting RF cavity high purity germanium detector 2D neutron detector cryogen and free superconducting magnet electromagnetic separated for radioisotope nuclear batteries and radioisotope thermoelectric and generator RTS power source and liquid hydrogen and cold neutron source. Other activities include research and development toward India-based Neutrino Observatory, INO, quantum computing, high performance computing. BARC designed and developed a series supercomputer that internal usage were mainly used by molecular dynamic simulation, reactor physics, theoretical physics, computational chemistry, computational fluid dynamic, finite element analysis. Latest series in Anubhav Magical. BARC has started development supercomputer under the Anubhav project 1991 in till date. Has developed more than 20 different computer systems. AI Anubhav system have been employed parallel processing, underlying physiology and MIMD multiple instruction, multiple data, core architecture. BARC being multidisciplinary research organization and a large pool scientists, engineer working various aspects of nuclear science and technology. Those are involved doing the diverse nature computation to keep the geostation period short and parallel computer were built with the commercially available of the cell component with the BARC major contribution being area system integration, system engineering, system software development, application software development, fine tuning system and support diverse set user. Series started small 4 process system 1991, sustained with the performance 34 M flop, keeping mind ever the increasing demand from user. New system have been built regularly with increasing computational power. Latest in series supercomputer Anubhav Aganya, processing power 270 TF LOPS, parallel processing supercomputing Anubhav Abalya, provided by sustained L-line PAC at a performance of 1.35 petal flops.